Alligator weed, scientific name Alternanthera Philoxeroides, is an invasive aquatic and semi-aquatic plant species that is native to South America but has spread to many parts of the world, including North America, Asia, and Australia. It is a perennial plant that can grow up to 6 feet in height and has long, slender stems that can grow up to 3 feet in length. Alligator weed roots easily from stem fragments, and it can form dense mats that can choke out native vegetation and reduce biodiversity in aquatic and wetland ecosystems. Due to its aggressive growth and ability to displace native vegetation, alligator weed is considered a noxious weed in many parts of the world. Alligator weed can be identified by its distinct features, which include: the leaves are elongated, narrow, and oval-shaped, and are usually around 1 to 3 inches long. They have a smooth texture, a glossy appearance, and are arranged alternately along the stem. The stems of alligator weed are thin, flexible, and can grow up to several feet long. They are green to reddish-brown in color and have nodes where the leaves attach. Alligator weed produces small, white or pink flowers that are less than half an inch in diameter. The flowers are arranged in clusters along the stem and bloom from midsummer to fall. Alligator weed typically grows low to the ground and can form dense mats in wetland areas. It often spreads vegetatively through stem fragments, which can easily break off and root in new locations. If you are interested in foraging alligator weed, it is important to be cautious and follow proper safety precautions. Here are some tips. Make sure you are properly identifying the plant before consuming it. Alligator weed can look similar to some poisonous plants, so be sure to consult a reliable identification guide or expert. Harvest only young and tender leaves and stems, as they are more palatable and contain fewer oxalates. Rinse the plant thoroughly with clean water to remove any dirt or contaminants. Cook the plant before consuming it to help break down the oxalates and make it more digestible. You can use alligator weed in recipes that call for leafy greens, such as stir-fries, soups. Avoid consuming large quantities of alligator weed at once, as the high levels of oxalates can be harmful in excess. Of course, do your own research before you consume it. It's also important to note that foraging alligator weed may not be legal in all areas, so be sure to check local regulations before harvesting any wild plants.